Hi, this is Shelby Ward with Ambient Law, and in this video I will be talking about R and packages. So let me open up R. R is a statistical computing platform that I use for coding, and this is what the interface looks like on my MacBook. It's the main window. I normally work from a working document. Let me just make a blank one. And I type my code here and use keystrokes to run it in the main window here. Packages. So what are packages? Packages are bundles of code and other information that other folks make that you can download from the R archive, so you don't have to create the code yourself to make use of functions that you might need when you're working on a particular project. And R is great because you have so many folks that contribute packages. There's over 6,000 that exist that you can download. So in order to do that, you need to go to Packages and Data and go to Package Installer. And here you can get a whole list of packages available to whichever archive you're synced to. But because I know what I'm looking for, I'll type the name of the package. The package I want is called lawstat. And in this window, you see the package name. And here is a column for the installed version. And I don't have it on my machine yet, so it's blank. And then the version for the repository, because sometimes you don't want to download a new one, but you want to update a package you already have. So I click the package and I want to install this package, but first I need to make sure that I click this box, install dependency. This is important because some packages rely on other packages within their code. So if I were not to select this and there's a package that is needed for lawstat that I don't already have, then lawstat won't work properly. So I make sure I click this and I click install selected. Okay, so I know it's here because I see the version number here in this column, installed version. I X out. And what I want to do is type require the name of the package to load it. And it's here, so I can use it in my coding, and I'll talk about how I will play around with lawstat and the functions that it has in a future video.